Good morning, students. Come to grammar tenses. I have already taught you how to use be form, do form and have form. Okay? In be form, is, or, am, they are used to present tense. And was, were, it is used to past tense. It is be form. I have already given you examples. And do form. Do, does, it is used to present time. Did, it is used to past time. Next, have form. Have and has, they are used to present perfect. Okay? They are used to present perfect. But had, it is used to past perfect. Okay? In this way, we use these three forms: be form, do form and have form. Next, come to modal auxiliaries. Okay? Modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? See, modal auxiliaries, there are two types: present, past, future present, future past. Okay? See, will, shall, okay, may, can, they are future present and they are changing into will, would or should. Okay? Shall, should. Or, so we have to use according to subject. By using the subject, we have to make it into change. Okay? Should or could. May, might. May, might. Can, could. Okay? But they are not actually important. These are future past. They are future present. Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, and also ought to, dare, okay, dare, okay. So, must. These are also auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries. Okay, there are two types: primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are be, do, have. Modal auxiliaries will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, etc. Okay. So, ought to, dare, must, okay, like that. So, these are also used in English grammar, in meaningful sentences. Okay, come to your articulation, that is called the topic verbs. Generally, have you understood all these points? Come to grammar book. See, there are different sentences are given in page number 10. I advise you, please open the workbook while you getting what we teach. Right? See, there is a definition of verb. What is verb? A verb is defined as a word which shows action or state of being. So what is verb? It is what, an action or state of being. So according to sentence, we use particular verbs to time, to tense, to action. Okay? The verb plays an important role in a sentence. Okay? What is very important in grammar? The verb, it is the main role in meaningful sentences. Okay? This is the main role. Because without verb, we can't construct sentences. The need of verb, the use of verb is very, very important. Okay? The verb plays an important role in a sentence, in any sentence, in every sentences, in any paragraphs. The need of verb is essential, must. Okay? Every sentence or a class must have a verb. See, every sentence or class must have a verb. Class means, so main class, subordinate class, like that. Okay? Recognizing the forms of verb is of the most important step in understanding the meaning of a sentence. See, by focusing the verb, by underlining the verb, we may see this is present, this is present continuous, this is past, this is past perfect, this is simple future. So like that, we may identify the verbs in meaningful sentences. See, there are some different sentences given here. Okay? See, open workbook, please, I advise you. See, I wake up early in the morning. Which one is the verb? Wake up. Actually, wake is the verb. Wake up, it is what? Phrasal verb. Okay? I wake up early in the morning. Wake, it is simple present. Underline, wake. Shreyas is working on his project. It is present continuous. How do you find it is present continuous? He is working, are doing, am teaching. See, there is a continuous process in the sentence. What we see? Continuous process in the present time, at the present period, at the present time. That is called present continuous. Shreyas is working on his project. He is working is present continuous. Underline and write down. Mr. Lingaraj has bought a new car. Okay? Mr. Lingaraj has bought a new car. What had Lingaraj bought? Has bought. See, it is present perfect. Had, past perfect. Okay? Mr. Lingaraj has bought a new car. The dance program will begin at 4 p.m. At what time the dance program will begin? At 4 p.m. See, will begin. It is simple future. May begin or not. Totally, it is indefinite. We can't say guarantee. If rain comes or any problems occur, it may stop it. It may be stopped so that future is absent. We went to the circus yesterday. See, we went to the circus yesterday. Past tense. We went to the circus. It is past tense. Harini was sleeping when the phone ringed. Was sleeping. Past continuous. See, in this way, there are different sentences